Snowy day in PA, guys. Getting ready for work. Hey guys, just got home from working a 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. shift. And roads are good going to work, slippery. Main roads are clean, side roads are pretty much spotty. Same way coming home, main roads are pretty much cleaned up. Side roads are pretty much slippery and spotty. Got another snowfall coming later tonight, so we'll see how that gets with this next snowfall. More snow, guys, here in PA. Another snow drop. Getting ready for work. It's 8 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go in for a night shift, for a 10 to 6 shift. Just giving you guys an update on snow. So far, it's been a pretty heavy snow drop in the last couple of days here in PA.